Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. So I finished the second Gabby Dollhouse basket, and this is what she's looking like. We have our bowling pin set, our cakey oven, I put the ponytail holders in here, and these came from Dollar Tree, and they are actually 2 for $1, so they are on sale at the Dollar Tree. And I like the rainbow colors in them that kind of match the Gabby Dollhouse colors as well. I also included the unicorn cup here, our Fruit Loops and Twizzlers. And if you see the theme going here, we got our rainbows there. And we got our fidget journal book here. And then in the back, we have our Gabby surprise play pack, as well as our color changing tumbler. I put these erasers in here just as a filler, but they're nice, festive, and colorful, so they make a great addition to the basket. I also put these crock charms in here, and if you know, I got these at Dollar General for 20 cents a pack. All right, and then on the side here we have our Gabby Dollhouse color and sticker set, and this came from the Dollar Tree. So we have a very nice Gabby Dollhouse basket here. And I'm going to wrap this, put a little bow on it, and move on to the next. I also put a sticker making with my Cricut on the back as well. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.